My name is Mathew. I am the president of Alliance World Manufacturing Limited. Alliance World, as you must be knowing, is the largest contract manufacturer of bathing soaps in Asia. I look after the marketing and sales of the company and the group for on a global basis because we are spreading our operations globally now. So, Alliance World has factories, soap factories in India and Indonesia both as of now. We have two factories, one in Baddi and one in Guwahati in India. And Indonesia, we have a very huge operation which supplies to all parts of the world. We make soaps like Dove, which is a global premium brand, as you all know. We supply Dove soap for USA, Europe, Japan, and Australia from that factory. So it's a very proud association we are having there. CMPL, we have been associated for a very long time, and we have been very happy with it. That's the reason the association is mutual and pleasant, as I mentioned. Of course, we started with CMPL Mumbai many years ago. Frankly, it's the first time we have come to Delhi, and I would like to say it has been a pleasant surprise. We are Bombay based as a marketing operation. In the sense, I'm saying that way because Alliance World is based out of Chandigarh, but the marketing team is operating from Mumbai. So we used to always participate in CMPL Mumbai, and we used to think Delhi may not be that important. But very happy to say that we had a very good experience as of yesterday, and even today it's looking good. So CMPL Delhi experience has been very good, and it's a pleasant surprise. I think the answer is very obvious because customers who are potential, who will add to our business and relationship on a long-term basis. That's what everyone is looking for, and we are happy that yesterday we had many of them who visited us, and today also a few of them, and I'm sure many of these will fructify and go into long-term relationships and partnerships, like our slogan says, partnering excellence. I think Vicky is a great exhibitor, and in fact today when I met him in the morning, I told him he should write a book on exhibitions, how to do exhibitions, because I know him from Dubai when we used to operate. He used to do exhibitions there, and I have participated in exhibitions in Dubai where he was one of the organizers. Of course, not his own brand. Now he has come to India and he has started his own brand, and I think I don't think I need to, I don't know whether I can add any value to his knowledge because he's doing it so well. He knows it exactly, how to do it. As we all know, India is a great opportunity. We are already big and we are growing fast. The whole world is looking at us. So exhibitions are a great opportunity to attract investors, customers, and all kinds of stakeholders related to the industry from all over the world. I know many of our international counterparts who are interested in visiting exhibitions. In fact, I'm sure that some of my customers from Europe will be visiting CMPL Bombay in May because they have told me so. So exhibitions become a good platform for international business to grow. So that's why it's a great thing for the whole industry, and naturally for service providers or existing players like us also. I'll say that one word. In fact, I already said it yesterday, to Vicky. Amazing.